Hi guys, this is the Java series part 71. Now let's discuss about the enum. What is enum? The enum is a data type which contains a fixed set of constants. Okay, I repeat it again. The enum is a data type which contains a fixed set of constants. Okay, to create an enum, we have to use the enum keyword. Okay, instead of using class or interface, we have to use the enum keyword if we want to create an enum. Okay, and separate the constants with comma, and the constant should be in uppercase letters only. Got it? Let's see this example. Here I have created the class. This is my class name, enum type. Okay, inside this class, I have created the enum season. Okay, here I have used the enum keyword. Okay, and inside this enum data type, I have created these constants with uppercase letters. Okay, so inside the season enum data type, I have 4 constants: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Okay, and here I have created the main method. Inside the main method, I have implemented the for. Okay, here for is the keyword, and inside the round brackets, here I have created the variable yes. This is the name of the variable. This is the enum data type. Here I have used the values inbuilt method. This values inbuilt method returns the constant values from the season enum data type. Okay, for the first iteration, this values inbuilt method return the winter. That value will be stored inside the yes variable. Okay, that will be printed on our console. Okay, for the next iteration, the second value spring will be stored inside this yes variable. That value will be printed on our console. The third iteration, values returns the summer constant value. That value will be stored inside the yes variable. That will be printed on our console. For the final iteration, this fall will be stored inside the yes variable because this values returns the fall. Okay, now let me execute this one. So this is our output. This is the output for first iteration, output for second iteration, output for third, and output for the fourth iteration. Okay, so enum is nothing but a data type which contains a fixed set of constants. Okay, and the constants are separated by the comma. Okay, and the constants should be in uppercase letters. Let's see one more example. Here I have created the enum2 class. Inside this class, I have created the days enum data type. Okay, so enum keyword I have used, and inside this days, I have created the constants: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, weekdays. Okay, and I have created the main method, and I have implemented the for loop inside the main, and the inbuilt method values I have used for days. Okay, so these values return all the constants from the days enum data type. For the first iteration, first value will be returned, and that value will be stored inside the yes. That value printed on our console using the println method. Likewise, the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the final iteration, this Saturday will be returned with the help of the values inbuilt method. That value will be stored inside the yes, and Saturday will be printed on our console. Okay, let me execute this one. So this is our output. First iteration result, second iteration, third iteration, fourth iteration, fifth, sixth, and final iteration. Okay, I hope you all understood about the enum data type. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.